Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Friday function with me, Oliver Franks, solution consultant at Anthesis. And today we're going to talk about self-service procurement portals. So previously in IFS, we've had to have people go through the same purchase requisitioning process as everyone who's maybe a heavier user of the system without a standard catalog in front of them. So either buying from description or buying with a part number. If they're buying from description and you've not got it set up, very often you'd have non-technical, non-financial users trying to decide what cost center or what account those codes should be going to. So the way that we want to be working is to provide people with a clear view of things that they can buy that have been agreed by procurement with a particular supplier. So this could be IT products like laptops, mice, keyboards, all those sorts of things, or it could be safety gear and PPE, which is what we're about to see. So I open up my self-service procurement portal, and straight away I can see, in this case, my category is products and services, but I can have different catalogs for these items as well. So if I had an IT catalog and a PPE catalog, I can keep those separate. As we work through this, I can see I've got a nice view of what it is that I need to be buying. We can obviously see that as the table or the list view that we've done previously. But in this sense, if you've got images for things, then we're kind of best served to have those images so people can know exactly what it is that they're looking for. So let's add a few bits to our shopping cart. Let's have 5 pairs of safety glasses. We'll have some work trousers. We'll have 5 pairs of those as well. We're going to need some earplugs. Better get a few of those. And we'll have a couple of these power drills as well while this is loading up. So we'll have 2 of those. We can also, you can just buy by image if you want to. But additionally, if we have against these parts, if we have information about what the part is, larger images, more descriptions, more categorization, suppliers, part number, what the price is, all those sort of things that we generally might want people to have information about and the access on these. I can also add a note in here as well. So one for engineering and one for manufacturing, for example. Of course, we've got things like internal destination anyway, but just in case we wanted a note on there. And rather than me having to search through and try and find the part numbers, or rather than me having to kind of describe what it is that I want and then procurement have to run through and go, I'm sure we've already got some of those or part number for those, we can do it by this kind of visual purchasing method instead. The final step on this is to review my shopping cart, and then I've got the option to change quantities here or where this is going in the business. I can also say, yeah, I want a receipt date because actually we don't need them right now. We might need them maybe next week. So if I say I want that next Friday and I hit submit purchase lines, my purchase requisition is now created in IFS, and I can now hand that across to procurement to do the rest of the actions against this purchase rec. So self-service portals, a simpler, easier way to provide your employees and users with a standard list of products that they can buy against the business with nice pictures and visualizations. Enjoy.